Next, we have the outer apply. And this is a lot like, instead of an inner join, where it's going to be a lot like a left outer join between a table and a table valued function. And you may wonder, is there any equivalent to a right outer join? And no, it's either cross apply or outer apply. One of them acts like an inner join, the other one acts like a left outer join. And when we take a look at the cross or the outer apply, when we run that, before we were only getting those that matched up because it was treated like an inner join, but now we're back to getting Johnny and Karen, who are listed down here, who did not have a favorite color using that outer apply. And that outer apply can be used with a function, table valued function, or it can be used with a correlated subquery like we have here. Also, just a reminder, you can download the join types poster at stevestedman.com. And this is a poster I created a few years ago that just sort of shows how all the different joins that we're going to be covering through this presentation are done. It's handy to print out and keep on your cube wall or near your workspace.